Flying Train by Dahir Insat. A visionary leap in futuristic transportation. The flying train concept by Dahir Insat reimagines the future of high-speed travel, merging the speed of aviation with the convenience of rail transport. This visionary design envisions aerial trains gliding above cities and landscapes, offering a faster, safer, and more efficient way to move people across vast distances. Unlike traditional trains, the flying train travels suspended from elevated magnetic tracks or powered flight rails, allowing it to soar smoothly above traffic and terrain. Its aerodynamic capsule-shaped cabins are engineered for stability and comfort, providing passengers with panoramic views and a quiet, turbulence-free ride. Inside, the train features luxurious seating, smart navigation systems, and advanced safety mechanisms, ensuring a seamless experience from takeoff to landing. The system is designed to operate on renewable electric power, emphasizing sustainability while drastically reducing ground congestion and travel time. While still a conceptual project, Dahir Insat's flying train symbolizes the next evolution of urban and intercity mobility, blending futuristic engineering, green energy, and bold imagination to redefine how humanity travels through the skies. Hyperloop Passenger Pods by BIG. Redefining the future of high-speed travel. The Hyperloop Passenger Pods, a visionary collaboration between BIG Bjarke Ingels Group and Kilo Design for Virgin Hyperloop One, represent a bold leap forward in ultra-fast, sustainable transportation. Designed with a focus on comfort, safety, and aesthetics, these pods are not just vehicles, they're a reimagined experience of how we move. With their smooth, circular interiors, the pods create a calming environment that enhances passenger comfort during high-speed travel. Features like forward-facing panoramic windows offer breathtaking views, while customizable seating and integrated safety innovations, including retractable armrests with built-in storage for safety gear, redefine what modern travel can feel like. The first prototype, the Pegasus Pod, became the first Hyperloop pod to carry human passengers, demonstrating the viability of this futuristic system. Measuring 12 square meters and accommodating 2 passengers, the Pegasus Pod features sustainable materials, modular components, and recyclable design elements, all emphasizing eco-conscious engineering. While challenges such as regulatory approvals and large-scale infrastructure requirements remain, these pods mark a pivotal milestone in developing rapid, emission-free transportation. LEO Solo, the next generation of personal aerial mobility. The LEO Solo represents a bold step into the future of individual air transportation. A personal flying vehicle designed to make flight as accessible and effortless as driving a car. Compact, efficient, and fully electric, the Solo blends advanced aerodynamics with intuitive controls, enabling anyone to experience the freedom of flight without traditional pilot training. Powered by multiple electric ducted fans, the LEO Solo delivers vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability, allowing it to operate seamlessly in urban or remote environments. Its lightweight carbon fiber structure ensures strength and efficiency, while a smart flight control system provides exceptional stability and safety. Inside, the cockpit is designed for comfort and simplicity, featuring a panoramic canopy for stunning visibility and a touchscreen interface for easy navigation. Built-in safety features, including redundant power systems and an emergency ballistic parachute, offer peace of mind during every flight. Carmat Bioprosthetic. Total artificial heart, redefining the future of cardiac care. Meet the Carmat Bioprosthetic. Total artificial heart, a revolutionary medical innovation designed to replace the failing human heart. Built for patients with severe heart failure, this fully artificial heart mimics the natural rhythm and adaptability of a real human heart, adjusting blood flow automatically based on the body's needs. What makes it truly remarkable is its biocompatible design. Made from advanced biomaterials that minimize the risk of blood clots and rejection, the Carmat heart seamlessly integrates with the body's systems. It provides patients with a renewed sense of vitality, more energy, less discomfort, and the chance to live a more normal, active life. This next-generation heart is powered by an external battery pack, which requires periodic charging but ensures reliable, continuous operation. Currently, it is approved for clinical use in Europe, with ongoing studies exploring its potential for global adoption. While long-term monitoring and regular medical checkups remain essential, early results show that the Carmat heart can significantly extend life expectancy and improve overall quality of life. A 200 aero base. The future of autonomous aerial mobility. The A200 aero base is a cutting-edge autonomous aerial platform designed to redefine how people and goods move through the skies. Combining advanced drone technology with futuristic design, the A200 represents a new era in personal and industrial air transport, safe, efficient, and fully electric. Built for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, the A200 aero base operates seamlessly in both urban and remote environments. Its lightweight carbon composite frame ensures exceptional durability and aerodynamic performance, while a network of high-efficiency electric rotors delivers smooth, stable, and silent flight. The cockpit features a smart, AI-assisted control system capable of autonomous navigation. Kernel Neurotech. Pioneering the future of brain-computer interfaces, Kernel Neurotech is breaking new ground in brain-computer interface (BCI) technology, pushing the boundaries of how humans can decode, understand, and communicate with the brain. Their ambitious mission centers on three transformative goals: advancing precision neuroscience, developing neuroprosthetics to help restore movement and vision in people with paralysis or blindness, and enabling seamless interaction with technology through pure thought. At the heart of their innovation lies the Kernel Flow headset, a state-of-the-art, non-invasive device that uses electroencephalography, EEG, and magnetoencephalography, MEG, to measure and stimulate brain activity. This breakthrough tool opens doors to revolutionary applications, from treating neurological disorders and restoring lost functions to enhancing human performance and cognitive abilities. However, as this technology evolves, ethical challenges such as data privacy, mental autonomy, and potential misuse must be addressed with strong safeguards. Kernel Neurotech stands at the forefront of a medical and technological revolution, one that could redefine what it means to connect mind and machine.